Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
E6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight C6.
Knight C3.
Queen C7.
Bishop A3.
A6.
Queen D8. 2.
B5.
Castle's queenside.
B4.
Knight A. Store.
Knight F6.
F3.
Knight E5.
Bishop F. Store.
H6.
King D1.
Bishop E7.
Knight B3.
Rook B8.
C3.
Knight H5.
Bishop A3.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop C5.
B captures on C3.
Queen captures on C3.
D6.
Bishop A3.
Queen captures on C3.
Knight captures on C3.
Rook D8.
G3.
Knight F6.
Knight A5.
Bishop D7.
Bishop A2.
Knight E8.
Rook D8. 2.
Rook D8.
Rook C1.
Bishop D8.
Knight B3.
A5.
F. Store.
A4.
F. Captures on A5.
A. Captures on B3.
Bishop captures on D6.
Knight captures on D6.
White captures on D6.
Bishop E8.
A captures on B3.
Rook captures on B3.
Bishop C. Store.
Rook B8.
Bishop A6.
Rook C5.
Knight A2.
Rook captures on C1. Check.
Knight captures on C1.
Bishop C7.
White D2.
Bishop captures on E5.
Knight D3.
Bishop D4.
White C2.
King F8.
White C. Store.
Bishop G1.
White C2.
Bishop A4.
White C. Store.
Bishop E8.
White C2.
King E7.
H3.
G5.
White C7. Check.
King D6.
White C1.
Bishop D4.
White C. Store.
E5.
White C8.
Rook captures on C8.
Bishop captures on C8.
Bishop A4.
Bishop G. Store.
F6.
Bishop F3.
Bishop C6.
G. Store.
Bishop A4.
Knight C1.
Bishop E3.
Knight D3.
Bishop B3.
Knight B store.
King C5.
Knight C2.
Bishop F4.
Bishop A2.
Bishop D2.
Knight A1.
Bishop A4.
Knight C2.
Bishop C6.
Bishop D3.
Bishop E8.
Bishop A2.
Bishop G6.
Bishop F3.
Bishop F7.
Bishop A2.
Bishop C4.
Bishop F3.
Bishop F1.
Knight A1.
King D4.
Knight C2. Check.
King D3.
B store.
King C3.
Knight A3.
Bishop D3. Check.
King A2.
King captures on B4.
Bishop D2.
Bishop C3.
Bishop F3.
Bishop D4.
Bishop D2.
King C3.
Knight B1. Check.
King C2.
Knight A3. Check.
King D2.
King B3.
King E2.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.